All right, which lines are parallel if measure of angle 4 is equal to measure of angle 7? Let's take a look at what we got. Well, measure of angle 4 and measure of angle 7. 4 and 7 could be alternate interior angles depending on which lines we're talking about. So let's talk about those lines. This line right here and this line right here. Okay, if they were the parallel lines we were talking about, then angles 4 and 7 would be on the interior of them, okay, in between the two of them. And if we said this is the transversal, then they're on alternate sides of that. So you're on the alternate sides of the transversal line and the interior of these red parallel lines. Okay, so we would say L is parallel to M by the converse, because remember when we prove lines parallel, we're using the converse. Okay, normally the rules are starting by saying the lines are parallel, therefore we know these things. But if you're going backwards to prove the lines parallel, you're using the converse. So it's by the converse of the, and what are they? They're alternate interior angles. So of the alternate interior angles theorem. Sorry, this is so sloppy. There you go. So we identified which lines were parallel, and we justified it by naming the theorem that we used in order to do so.